Ready to save big on your SiteGround web hosting purchase, plus get a free domain name? Then this SiteGround discount video is for you. In this video, I'm providing you with the latest SiteGround coupon code discount that will get you 83% off SiteGround web hosting, plus a free domain name. Click the link in the description below to take advantage of the SiteGround discount, getting SiteGround for as low as $2.99 a month, plus a free domain name. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from SiteGround at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get an awesome SiteGround discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the SiteGround web hosting plans page. Click the Start Now button. You'll now be taken down to the SiteGround plans. You'll see 3 different plans consisting of the Startup, GrowBig, and GoGeek plan. You'll save 83% off each of these plans. All 3 plans come with a free domain name. The Startup plan you can get for $2.99 a month, the GrowBig for $4.99 a month, and the GoGeek plan for $7.99 a month. The Startup plan comes with 1 website, 10 gigabytes of web space, 10,000 website visits per month. The GrowBig plan comes with unlimited websites, 20 gigabytes of web space, 100,000 website visits per month, on-demand backup copies, 30% faster PHP, and staging. The GoGeek plan comes with unlimited websites, 40 gigabytes of web space, 400,000 website visits per month, plus everything the GrowBig plan comes with, along with features such as staging plus Git, white label clients, free private DNS, highest tier of resources, and priority support. Once you choose a plan you'd like to go with, you'll be able to choose your free domain name. To get the 83% off SiteGround discount price, you'll want to choose the 12-month term at checkout under the Purchase Information section. You get the best deal of 83% off by going with the 12-month term. Plus, you get a free domain name with your SiteGround hosting purchase. Enjoy your SiteGround coupon code discount to get 83% off SiteGround web hosting. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more SiteGround hosting tutorial videos.